Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how we can save battery power, right? Let me let you know that the first thing you can do to change your battery power on your device is brightness. So the first thing you want to do is to minimize your brightness. More brightness you use, more power your device is using. So you minimize your brightness to your desirable brightness you're looking for. Then you can put the power saving option on. That can be helpful. You can take location off if you're not using it at the moment. Another thing you can do is if you have mobile data on, take that off. If you're not using Wi-Fi, take this off, right? And you minimize what you're not using. So if you're not using your mobile data, you're using Wi-Fi, you keep the Wi-Fi on. If you're not using your mobile data, you can take it off, right? But for persons who are on the go, you don't want to take your mobile data off, but take your Wi-Fi off. Your Bluetooth, especially if you're not using that, make sure that is off. These are ways to prevent your battery from running down fast. The other thing you want to do is go to device care, right? Battery and device care. Now, if there are any apps that are running down your battery, TikTok, for example, it will have it in red here and it will tell you to close background apps. So for those of you who have TikTok on your phones, you will actually realize that I'm not lying. It will be here. You can optimize. The device care will tell you which apps are taking, draining the battery, so you can put them to sleep. TikTok is an app that always runs in the background, and like this, it will still be open and it will be running in the background, and it can drain your battery. So for Samsung phones and other Android phones as well, you get the idea on how you can save your battery power. Those are very simple steps to save your battery power. If you didn't know anything about preserving your battery power to last longer, I hope that this video helps you. And if you're new to my channel, guys, go right ahead, like this video and subscribe.